The future doesn't knock, it arrives in silence. What happens when the world's fastest growing EV empire lands on American soil? Tonight, we witness a machine that may quietly redraw the balance of power. DENZA was never meant to be ordinary. Born from a collaboration between BYD and Mercedes-Benz over a decade ago, the brand began as an experiment, a bridge between German precision and Chinese electric ambition. But ambition evolves. BYD didn't just build electric cars. It built batteries. It built platforms. It built supply chains. And while legacy automakers debated transition timelines, BYD scaled. The DENZA B5 EV represents something larger than a model launch. It represents a shift in confidence from regional player to global contender. Why does this matter to America? Because the EV revolution is no longer a Silicon Valley narrative alone. It's global, it's industrial, it's strategic, and now it has arrived at America's doorstep. And then, the lights come on. The DENZA B5 EV stands under a single beam of white light, sculpted, composed, unapologetically modern. This is not a tentative entrance. This is a statement. The body lines feel aerodynamic, yet muscular. The stance is confident. The silence is commanding. For a moment, the room doesn't react. It absorbs. Because sometimes, innovation doesn't shout. The DENZA B5 EV introduces a sharper, more confident design language. Slim LED signatures cut across a clean, aerodynamic front, while the minimal grille reinforces its pure EV identity. With a long wheelbase, balanced overhangs, and a planted stance, it feels deliberate and resolved, no longer experimental, but defined. Flush door handles, aero-optimized wheels, and a sculpted rear light bar blend efficiency with elegance. Every surface manages airflow. Every detail has purpose. Beneath the design, the DENZA B5 EV runs on BYD's advanced E-platform, unifying battery, motor, and control systems for better rigidity and efficiency. At its core sits the Blade battery, engineered for safety, durability, and thermal stability, directly addressing range and degradation concerns. Power delivery is instant. Torque is smooth. The drive feels silent and controlled, built on intelligent distribution, advanced battery protection, and fully integrated digital systems. Inside, the cabin feels open and minimal, with seamless digital displays and adaptive ambient lighting. Soft materials and metallic accents add refinement, while voice control and driver assistance respond effortlessly. Quiet, composed, and spacious, it feels less like transport, more like controlled serenity. The DENZA B5 EV entering the US isn't just expansion, it's a statement. Competition is tightening. In a market led by Tesla, Ford, and rising startups, DENZA arrives vertically integrated, battery first, and globally scaled. BYD's manufacturing power drives pricing flexibility. Its battery expertise controls cost. Its platform ensures adaptability. The EV race is no longer about proving it works. It's about who dominates efficiency. And the US is watching. The DENZA B5 EV could mark a turning point, not for being the fastest or loudest, but for arriving prepared. Prepared with infrastructure, technology, confidence. As cities electrify and policy accelerates change, the B5 becomes more than a vehicle, it reflects industrial momentum. It doesn't just signal the decline of gasoline, it signals a shift in influence. What do you think about the DENZA B5 EV entering the American market? Is this evolution or disruption? Share your thoughts below. And if you appreciate cinematic car stories that explore technology, design, and the future of mobility, subscribe to Carsnouva. The next chapter is already on the horizon.